So let us now see how to create a module. So we have seen like import math. Math is a module which contains bundle of functions like square root, addition, subtraction. So now we can use like this. So let us find a square root of 16. It will give the result. So let us create our own module. We have created a function, but we haven't. Module is nothing but you should have to save your file. First let us open a new file. We should have to save as, click on save as, and make sure you are creating this file in Python 34. So this is where all the modules will be there, and we will be importing. When we say import math, it will be getting from this folder. So if you save this file anywhere else and if you call the import, it will show error. So make sure you are storing this file in Python 34. Let us say my math. So we are creating a file. This is same as a file. We are creating a file math. And now let us write some mathematical functions like addition, as we have done in our previous video. Let us say n1 comma n2. Write quickly. So we should have to write definition addition function and a colon. n3 is equal to n1 plus n2, and we will be printing n3. Let me copy this. Now let us create one more function. Now let us call it as subtraction and give it as minus. Let us create one more function, def division divided by, like this. We can create any number of functions. Let us create multiplication. Give it a star. So we have successfully created our function. Now if you run it, it will be okay, but addition 2 comma 3 is 5. So now everything seems to be fine. Let me close this idle first and let us reopen it. So now if we reopen it, now if we call the function, let me show you, addition, and inside is 22 comma 33. There is an error. So first we should have to import that. Let me import. What is that? My math. My math is the module we are importing. So we have successfully imported it. After that, my math dot. So it will, the system automatically shows what are the available functions inside our file. So first let us call addition, and this will run fine, no problem. My math dot, my math dot addition. Let us give 22 comma 33, 45. My math dot addition 33 comma 22. Fine. Now if you write addition 3 comma 4, so it is giving error. Always you should have to use the module name, because we will be importing lot of modules in our program, like import mymath, import addition. So if you don't mention the name, the system get confused, because if the addition function also available in some other modules, and we have imported, like for example we have imported 3 modules. In the 3 modules there is the same function with the same name. So if you call addition, so system will get confused. So for that you should have to always write the module name and dot. As soon as you press the dot, you will get the suggestions, and then now 35 comma 5, answer is 175. So this is how we create a modules. So you can, once you complete this course or once you become a Python programmer, you can create a beautiful module with some useful functions inside it, and you can also sell it in the market. You can sell your module which can be used by others also. So hope you understood. Keep practicing. Meet you in the next video.